I take a lot of pride in working for Intermatic because of the quality of the products, the length of time that they last. I know the types of testing that we put our products through.
We do a lot of reliability testing with our team, and we take that with a lot of pride. That our products that we ship out places are of high quality and durability.
I like working at Intermatic because of the way the company feels. It's a good size, small company, but big company resources. I get what I need, but then you get the nice small company culture and flexibility.
My team is awesome, without a doubt. Everyone from my manager to my coworkers, we all get along great. We work as a cohesive unit, so if any of us need anything, we're more than happy to jump on it.
I have field service for 15 years before coming here. This now, being able to talk to different people every day and still to stay on top of new things in the industry, and having a good set time from Intermatic that leaves you open really increases your work-life capability, the things you're able to do.
Personally, I really have valued the opportunity to work my hours and be able to have my life at home with my children and my family. I can make it to their practices or their games. I've been able to do story time. Coming here has just improved that part of my life tenfold.
Flexibility of working from home. Like, I know some people come in to the office for a couple hours and then go back and work the rest from home. I mean, it's really results driven. They're not going to be counting your hours.
I feel like everyone is pretty well respected and they allow you to handle what you need to handle. They might check in with you periodically, but it's not going to be a daily, hourly thing asking, where is this at, is this done? And I appreciate that.
Our new review process gives us ongoing check-ins with our managers, and I appreciate that so much more than having to go through a formal review process where you have to check these boxes, and there's a lot less pressure and it's more of a comfortable conversation.
We always try to make as many fun events that we can for people. One of the things that I led was the Pinewood Derby race, which you'd be surprised how many people get really involved with it. Other events that we've done would be like a 5K, we've done water pong, it's a really out there idea that was really popular. A lot of food sales, and then we even had a bags tournament, which is always the premier event for Intermatic during the summer.
One of the things I really like about Intermatic is the way that they encourage us to volunteer. We've been able to go to Feed My Starving Children, and we've done Habitat for Humanity. We've participated in road cleanups in Spring Grove for the last bunch of years. It's paid time, and I'm just so excited to see that our company wants us to be able to do good in the world and in our communities.
After graduating college and starting out at Intermatic, then I went right back to school and I finished up my electronics engineering degree. With the help of Intermatic, they covered about $6,000 a year. Those skills stay with me for wherever I go in the future.
I think the new building is beautiful. Everything from the game rooms to the trails. I'm very excited about the bikes, being able to ride bikes around the trails. That's awesome.
I'm excited about the gym. I'm excited about the walking paths and the bike paths and the outside seating area. I think it's all just really exciting to be able to have right in front of us.
We have a great forest preserve around us, and as long as our computer has Wi-Fi, we can stretch that as far as we can and talk to a customer outside, talk to them from a whiteboard or whatever we need to better help troubleshoot them.
During the pandemic, even though it was very difficult, the company was able to keep everyone on. No one was laid off, no one was fired, and I think that's amazing. Intermatic always puts their employees first.
It's nice to work here, and you don't get bogged down by process or anything, and you get to develop new things.
Intermatic makes it known when you work here. Employees do come first. It just makes it a great place to want to go to.
It's just a really great culture, and it provides me with a lot of positivity.
I feel lucky to work here.